Previously on MDF. In week 1, we see the Balls of Destroyers taking on the Moonlight Smashers. As you can see, the Balls of Destroyers just got shooting off the arena here. You can see that the Balls of Destroyers have not been a good team so far, since they lost all of their marbles up against the Moonlight Smashers. And week 2 starts, and the Balls of Destroyers are facing up against the Moonlight Smashers again. Will the Balls of Destroyers get their revenge against the Moonlight Smashers? Let's find out. This is week 2 of the Marble Demolition Federation. So, the team that got a bye for week 3 is the Green Monsters. The Green Monsters gets the bye for week 3, which means that the Green Monsters will not participate in week 2. And the crowd is ready for week 2. The teams are ready. And here's the week 2 schedule here. Here of all the teams. You can see. And here are the records for all of the 27 teams. And the Rhythmic Ribbons are participating in week 2. That is all for the schedule and the records. Now let's get ready to race. First up is King Cobras versus the Yellow Trojans. And here we go. Looks like the Yellow Trojans is out of the arena very quick. King Cobras also got the first marble out. Here comes that second King Cobra marble, and they're out of the arena. The Yellow Trojans win this one 2-0, the record. Next up, Evergreens versus the Arctic Penguins. It looks like the Arctic Penguins just got shooting off the arena just like the Balls of Destroyers did. And the Evergreens are going to win this one. Now, we have the Rhythmic Ribbons for participating first. They need to get their first win up against the Blue Eels. And the Eels are off of the arena. Another Blue Eel out. And it looks like the Rhythmic Ribbons is going to win the week 2. And one of them almost got out of the arena. But the Rhythmic Ribbons, they won their first Marble Demolition Federation. Now we have the Blue Stars up against the Black Knighters. And here we go. Oh, the Black Knighters are out of the arena so quick. So does the Blue Stars. Now it's tied 2-2. Black Knighters just got hit. The Blue Stars also get hit, and they're out of the arena, and they lost all of their marbles, just like the Balls of Destroyers did in week 1. Black Knighters wins and beats the Blue Stars. Now we have the Rapids versus the American Eagles. Let's see who takes it. Looks like we have an Eagle off the track and a Rapid off the track here. And so both teams have 2 marbles left. And that was so close. And it looks like the Rapids just got out of the arena. The Eagles have the lead. But they're out of the arena as well. So we're going to a tiebreaker matchup between the Rapids and the American Eagles. They're going to have 1 marble each. And here it is. Who's going to take it? Oh, the Rapids is out of the arenas, and the American Eagles are 2-0 in this Marble Demolition Federation race season. Now, White Wings and the Ocean Rollers. And there they go. When White Wings gets hit, Ocean Rollers just got out of the arena, and we have a Wings off the track. And looks like both the Ocean Rollers marble just got out of the arena. White Wings wins it, and they will be 2-0. Snowstorms and the Spooky Pumpkins up next. And Snowstorm's going to be first. The Spooky Pumpkins is way far behind. Snowstorms, I just see one of the Snowstorms just got out of the arena, and a pumpkin off the track. And the Spooky Pumpkins uses the barrier And the Spooky Puppetster just messing with that spinner, tries to get the advantage and they will not. Spooky Pumpkins are 0-2 in this marble race season. Now, Cat's Eye Furies and the Sunset Runners. And the Sunset Runners just got out of the arena. A Cat's Eye Fury marble just knocked a Sunset Runner off of the arena here. Yeah, that's a tactical player there by the Cat's Eye Furies. Spooky Goblins and the Golden Vipers, none of these teams won a Marble Demolition Federation so far. But let's see if one of them can win it. Both teams now have 2 marbles each. The Golden Vipers now have 1 marble. And that win goes to the Spooky Goblins unless if they can stay in the arena the most, and they do. So the Spooky Goblins will take this. White Steel and the Over Easy's next. And the Over Easy's got 2 marbles out. And White Steel has not got their marble out just quite yet. And the Over Easy's will be 0-2, while White Steel is 2-0. Orange Racers versus the Crazy Speckles. None of these teams won a Marble Demolition Federation. Let's see if one of them can win it. Oh, we got a punch here on the Orange Racers by the Crazy Speckles. The Crazy Speckles just punched the Orange Racers off of the arena. That's another tactical play there. Now, Moonlight Smashers and the Balls of Destroyers. And remember, Balls of Destroyers needs a revenge on the Moonlight Smashers. Can they win week 2? Let's see. And the Moonlight Smashers has 1 marble left. And now they lose all their marbles. And yes, Balls of Destroyers wins the Marble Demolition Federation week 2. Now, last match is the Grassy Greens and the Luck of the Irish. And once again, Green Monsters get to bye for week 3. And here we go. No marbles out yet. No other teams won in the MDF before in week 1. And the Luck of the Irish got their first marble out. And they're hitting the spinner and nothing there. Looks like the Grassy Greens is gonna win this one. And yes, Grassy Greens is gonna win, and they're up 1-1. While the Luck of the Irish is 0-2. Now here are the records on the week 3. And once again, the Monsters get to bye for week 3 because they're 1-0. Well, that is it for the MDF week 2. Week 3 will be coming next week, and we will see you in week 3.